Guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today we are making the super easy and delicious falafel. They are deep-fried Middle Eastern food which can be served either as a snack or in sandwiches. Either way, they taste just amazing. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, let us use a mixer grinder. And I've taken 1 cup of dried chickpeas and I've soaked the chickpeas in hand for 6 to 8 hours. Make sure you guys at least soak for 6 hours because the chickpeas has to be soft. Let's add the chickpeas into the mixer grinder. Now add 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 3/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves, now add salt to your taste, 3 tablespoons of rice flour. I'm using rice flour because this will help the falafel mixture to bind together and it will be easier for us to shape the falafel. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Now let us close the mixer grinder and grind everything. Since we are using a mixer grinder, it will take some time to form a finely ground mixture. So I would suggest you guys to grind the mixture for a minute, open the mixer grinder and give everything a good mix using a spatula. As you can see here, the chickpeas have started to get ground. So let's close the mixer grinder and grind again for another 1 minute and repeat the process until we get finely ground mixture. Alright, so I have ground the mixture quite a few times now and you can see that our falafel mixture is almost done except there are a few chunks in it. So give everything a good mix, and I have to admit guys, I missed an ingredient. That was 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to the mixture and give everything a good mix. It is important to add baking soda because this will make the falafel really soft and fluffy in the inside. So mix everything and let's close the lid and grind again for another 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so you can see that our falafel mixture is now ready. Our falafel mixture is nice and finely ground in texture. So let's take this out and shape the falafel. Okay, so there is a falafel mixture, so you can either shape the falafel into small patties or you can shape them into small round balls. So I'm going to shape them into small lime size balls. So I'm going to roll the falafel in my palm and I'm going to shape them into lime size balls. So if you want the falafel to be of the same size and exact shape, then you can use a small ice cream scooper or a small spoon to measure the falafel, and you can do that way too. So I'm just eyeballing it and making them into small lime size balls. Repeat the process and let's make the falafel ready for frying. Heat oil in a wok or Kadai, and once the oil is hot, let's gently add the falafel one by one into the oil. Do make sure that you do not overcrowd. So let us fry the falafel on medium flame for around 5 to 6 minutes or until the falafel turn brown in color. Alright, so it has been nearly 6 minutes and our falafel is nice and brown in color. So let's take out the falafel. Serve the falafel immediately while it's still hot. There we go, our falafel. They are so delicious. They are fluffy and soft in the inside, crispy on the outside, and the best pair for a falafel is a cup of tea. Do try them out, guys. They are so delicious, and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.